Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. I greet the house. How na dey? Also, na dey enjoy yourself. My brothers and sisters. You get one video where I see for Facebook. I put am for my page, I put am for my Facebook page. But this audio where they do so, I will put the audio under Mona for listening. About this, I think it happened for Igbo land, I don't know, but now that side, now Igbo people, now them be if I'm not making mistake, Mona no verse. This thing, there is this small girl, this little girl, be like he said they sell something, you see they do as I take call now carry cash and carry. Now understand what I mean. So the little girl now can't go with this man for hotel. Say they can't order food, they eat. The one way she order, she not even eat and finish. No? So the man can't still eat it. Oh, so they can't sleep. After maybe like around in the morning, maybe like 5 o'clock or something like that. Now the man can't touch her. The man say you want no. So now the girl can't say may she put raincoat. Now know what I mean. Now not be small children. May put raincoat. So when they can't finish, even now the man even go toilet, go comment everything. So they can't sleep. The girl can't tell say that is waiting the girl talk. Now me and the talk. So I'll still put the audio now. We'll listen. So when he reach around, come ask the man, say, what be the time? The man come tell her and say, 5 something. Then she come tell say, okay, make she still sleep small. 6 o'clock, then she go come out, she go house. So when time come reach now, then she come get up, she come dey wake the man, say, Oga, he said the man no gree answer. You understand? You know, say some when person they sleep now, your hair some sleep go there where just deep before you go answer person they take. Say come they knock. Why can't you say this one not be only sleeping? Now you come carry water, a bottle water where they come pour it for a body, nothing. Now you come call say come call people where the boys where they the mona come, I don't know what they happen. You understand? So when they come call now, the hair don't come off for the man nose. Una understand? Hair don't come off for his nose. So as the guy they talk, una go still see this. Una go don't see, but the audio I will put as I said talking before. So this thing they happen. So when they call the video, you know say no anything will happen now. Camera there you go just start to the video. So they call the video. The place where the something for happen now hotel for them. So when they come up with the man back, they can't see all this tablet where they take to make So they can't see him. Me like say the man take him more than where it's supposed to take. So all these things they happen. I feel they hear say God that beg. The thing weak me. The thing just weak me because if you know say you get problem for there, you be man. It still dey happen for woman. If you get problem, go meet doctor. No do say now you want take your drugs by yourself. Make doctor give you wetin supposed to dey take. And no take an overdose. This one na overdose. So as they talk for them, say okay, the man take overdose because now overdose na they cause all these things. If doctor tell you say take this thing like this, no go say this thing I take her not work, may I take her extra. No, the best you go meet doctor say you take her, it not work for me. If he give you another one, say okay, this one not work for you. Maybe your body, your power too much for the medicine, now make her not work for you. May I give you another one? He go still write another one for you. Like this one now, where just take overdose now. See what it go happen. See wetin happen to the man. I believe say the man go get family, go get wife, everything. Because some people, then I don't know the way they say they think. They think say in body, now me get my body, I feel control, I feel not be so. Something there where me I go take now. it go good for my body. But if you take am, it go give you a problem wey big pass yourself. When you know say your something under there, you know they get up as before. Try to meet doctor. Maybe doctor will tell you say, now because not be the age where you did the time where you young, not be you still there now. No, now normal thing. You don't the age don't they go. This something go still they go down. It's normal. Because you know come thing say as you did the time where you did for 30 years, where you did for 25 years, you can't expect say now so it will still be when you reach 50, 55, 60. No, it not be like that. It not be like that because as we dey old now, so all wetin we get for our body, they still dey old, they not dey young. Like this one now, I pity that small girl because now the girl na dey with the man for inside that hotel where everything happen. Because normally they have to do autopsy, where they call it autopsy, no, to see really wetin really happen. Because if na abroad, they must do am because I believe say Nigeria they still dey do am. But you know, say sometimes they not just Nigeria, they not even get time for that one. They will say, the man don't come out for his nose, he don't come out, they don't just forget that story for them. You know, like this one now, I lesson to all people where they take all these things before you say you want to go meet woman. Be careful because not because of say you take one, because now one now you supposed to take. You see, say the thing no, you not great get up. You go say no, make I take another one. You dey damage yourself. See this one now, hey, come on for him nose. It don't finish for them because of say he must get up. He must get up. Don't force yourself. Don't force yourself. Say he must get up because you want damage yourself. See this one now. See this one now. Because I felt the year and say this thing people they do and then they take on even if they take on overdose. When they take on overdose finish, it go come cause another thing. Like this girl now. If they do the autopsy and now say, okay, now wait till it take. Now the girl go free. Okay, if they can't do and now say maybe now another thing, the girl don't enter one chance. It don't enter one chance. Because now you with an idea there when this something happen. So you must tell us as it happen. Now so, my brothers and sisters, especially our men, some of our men, then the 2 months they take this thing, even some say day, when you know say something, it still they get up. But you go want me take extra. Say because you want be, I don't know as I take talk and you want me just my brother. This one are for men now. My brother, you dey damage yourself. No try yan. No try yan. If you know say your thing, it get as it be. No, shame not there. Shame not there because some people there, they get shame where we go say, I'll go meet doctor, go they explain that kind of thing. If you know meet doctor, you want go meet. You go say, no, I'll go chemist, I just want go buy the medicine. It no good though, it no good. It no mean say it good for A, it go good for B. Not buy medicine like that. Say I want buy am. I go dey take am anytime when I want go out with no. No. You not take medicine like that. If na doctor give you, it no work. Tell the doctor say it no work. Wetin I go do? He go give you another one. If that one not still work, maybe he go tell you say maybe na because you say you too fat, or may you try, may you slim down, or may you do this one. Many ways there. Many ways, because you know say sometimes you go the thing say you dey okay, but your body inside is not dey okay. You understand? Your body inside is not dey okay, especially this one where it just happen so. Because they say the man fed they come the hotel, you know, fed they even they go another place. But me, I believe say as you see this small girl now, you go say this small girl now go just, you know, I go fire now. And you know, say what you they carry, they go, you know, if you fire like that. Why you go take extra something where go damage yourself? See now what it happen. My brothers and sisters, I just see and the thing just shocked me. The first thing I just see for this morning, as I just enter Facebook now, say, oh God, what it happen? May I watch? As I watch, I dey listen now, say, see what it they happen. So this thing really they happen. Because many people and they think say no they happen when they take over. You go say, I take now overdose, I just take, nothing happen. You don't try it. If they say now one. If they tell you say every 8 hours, now every 8 hours. If they tell you say every 4, now every 4. Not because you take it not work. Okay, let me I just put one journal. Now God now go save you if you even feel waka self. Because Not be so dem say make dem take am. Make fair work for that 8 hours first, because e no dey for your body again na small. Then after that you come take another one, because you no fit just take something now you come still take am again. Na your body na you dey damage. So as I see this something, the thing, the children now, him wife now, you see wetin dey happen. Because the man go get family. Just because of say no, this thing no gree get up, you must get up by force. You must do am by force. Sometimes men even dey think say their age don still go. You no young again. You no expect say the time when you dey for young, when you dey for young age, now you still dey now. Some people some people they no even dey think about that one. Say I no dey go younger, I dey go older. Every day wey pass for your life. Now every day na person dey old. You know dey young. You know dey young. So men they no want put am for their brain. They want make them be as before. You no fit be as before because you don pass that age. If you be person wey be say you dey 50, 55 and your something is still there, you still dey get up as before. Thank God for your life, because not be everybody be the same. Everybody no be the same. If you don pass 50 something, the something no dey gree dey get up as before, me doctor may give you something, may tell you wetin you supposed to do. You know, because you no come compare the time when you dey young to now when your age don dey go, because na two different things. Because you know talk say the time when you dey young, maybe you fit sleep well. Now you know understand, you fit do that thing 3 times a day or even 4 times a day. You know come say na the same thing when you dey 50 now, say na the same thing now you still dey do. No, e no fit be the same, because your age don go. You dey old dey go. Na so your body still dey old dey go. They no dey young. Na so e still be for woman. You see woman, all not be the same. Some women dey when they dey young, they no even dey that thing. No, they no dey do am reach. Me I just say for a month, they no do am reach 4 times. So, but when they don dey young, you come see say the something they dey do even 6 times a month. Depends of wetin they call am, this hormone na they call am for inside our body. Depends, because everybody not be the same. It's just be like now when some people they call am menopause. This when your period go cut. Some people dey 50 years they don't cut. Some day even 60, you go still dey see am. Now depends of people. We are not the same. Because you just see some people go say don't reach 40 something. Sometimes it go come, sometimes it not dey come. Now some men still be, because some men they don't want to use their brain. Say it still get limit for them. They think say no limit. Limit there, oh my brothers and sisters, limit still there. So as I see this thing now, say me I still share am with you now. I'll put the audio, but the video don't already there for my Facebook. Now watch am for them. So men, mona be careful. Not the thing say because of say you want carry Sisi Eko, I go do it like this, I go do it like this. If your power not there, I beg, not go remove hair for your nose, oh, because this life now one time now one time this, because this life, if you don't bafuka like that, nothing say tomorrow no you go get up another one still there. Now only one time, so now only one time. And don't not use your life to play. Even though say person they tell you say you no fit dey do anything. What you sabi do, you no fit do anything. E good make go find another person wey go fit do than when you go dey take. You want go to tablet say because then they laugh you say you no fit do anything. You want make you show and say you sabi do something. When you say you want go show am now, where air go come off for your nose? Who go come lost a life? Not be you. Now that person will laugh you. I beg go my brothers then. Now so it still be for woman, because woman still there. Woman still there. If doctor tell you say take am like this, take am like that. If the something not gree work, not say me I take another one join am. Say no, it go work. You must work by all means. No, not be so. Me doctor, it go change am for you. If another thing not, they fit tell you say see what you supposed to do. You know. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. Just a little once, I just see and say, okay, me I just still share with you now. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, put your comments, share with your friends. One love. Happy weekend.
Who are you?
My name is Precious
Precious.
from Akwa Ibom.
Precious from Akwa Ibom. Where do you work?
We serve drink. I dey sell drink. I dey serve my customers drink. So they pay me salary. So after them, I come dey do small business. I come dey do small runs.
Which work they do join again? You do prostitution work.
Yes, I do not today why I start.
Okay. You get where you did stay, they do the prostitution. You get any room?
No.
Okay, no.
Do for street. Yes.
Okay, they do for street.
So one person wey know the man from Palace side, the man call me. My friend call me tell me say he want man stay with one of his friend wey just come back. So I say no problem. So now that Palace side, that time is now in there with the chemist man. So all of them now talk finish. They will now tell the man bye. So me and the man now reach here. Now he order, I tell myself one shop, now he order me Indomie. So he order himself porridge yam. So me I chop Indomie, I don't even chop and finish. So I sleep up. So he can't sleep. So almost around 5. Like around 5 when they come touch me. So him be one do me with that. I tell him say no, man, I carry condom come. So he say okay. I lose the condom, see the condom there. I lose the condom before. So after we fuck him, now he see use the hand go inside toilet, go come water. Put am inside toilet.
That's early this morning.
No, they never break now. Something like
around 5 in the morning and this morning, yes.
Like, because me I no carry time. So I now ask am wetin dey knack. Him now looking for him, tell me say na almost 5. So I tell am say okay, around 6, sharp 6, me I go. That is all. So as I come wake up, they don break finish. I come dey wake am up, make give me money. I come see am like this. I will use this water because and I me shake am breathe like this. I come say I waiting with this one before I rush go call this boy for the parlor. Go call am. Come tell am say I no know wetin that happen o. Make come see person where me and him dey yesterday before the boy now come. And so the thing take.
So now after una don fuck finish early this morning. So everybody come sleep. As you come wake up, now you come see say.
I come wake am make him pay me so that I will go. Now him I come dey wake am. Carry the water. I come say whether na sleep go be this one. I come pour water. I no gree. I come dey shift am, read like this. You no see wake up before the thing don pass me. I go call this boy.
So is journal this bag now where those drugs were brought out? Okay. So is journal this bag now where those drugs were brought out? Okay.
Oh!